Hello students, welcome back to my second video lecture. I am Siddharth, your social science teacher from BLS International School, Hathras. Dear students, in my previous video, I discussed about the environment briefly. In this video lecture, I am going to provide you detailed explanation. Students, here is the list of content that we are going to discuss in this video. What is environment? Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. In other words, we can say that the favorable conditions that make life possible on Earth form the environment. Let's talk about the components of environment. You can see natural. In natural environment, the things that we get from the nature such as land, water, air and living things. Second is human made. Human made environment deals with the things that is created or modified by the human beings to satisfy their needs. And third is human. Here is a picture through which you could get the idea that what is environment and what are its components. Land, water, air, plants and animals form a part of natural environment. It includes the abiotic and biotic components. Biotic components consist of plants and animals, and abiotic components consist of non-living things. Students, now talk about the domains of natural environment. The first is lithosphere, that is land. Second is hydrosphere, that is all the water bodies. And third is the atmosphere, that is the blanket of air around the earth. Students, what is biosphere? Biosphere is an interaction among the hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere that make life possible. You can see through the picture. Students, human environment refers to those things that is modified or created by human beings. ह्यूमन बींग्स ने अपनी नीड्स के चलते टाइम टू टाइम चीज़ों को मॉडिफाई किया है नेचुरल थिंग्स को इफ यू लुक अराउंड योर सेल्फ यू कैन गेट लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट इज क्रिएटेड बाई ह्यूमन बींग्स सच एज पार्क रोड्स ब्रिजेस इंडस्ट्रीज एटसेट्रा Students, here are some key points. You can note them in your notebook. Students, here is an assignment for you. Do it in your notebook. So students, finally we are done with the chapter. Very soon we will meet with a new chapter. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thank you. And stay safe at home.